welcome to our Ayurveda talk. We are going to talk a little bit about how Ayurveda deals with healing. Now, there's lots of different kinds of healing, but what we're specifically going to talk about tonight is surgery. I have a couple of clients that are going into surgery very soon, and I want to give you some helpful tips on what you can do to not only prepare your body for surgery, but also what you do afterwards. Ayurveda has a definite protocol around dealing with healing. So first of all, before you know you have to go into surgery, you definitely want to make sure that your immune system is strong, that you are doing things like building the immune system. And if you are feeling weak or depleted, it is not a good time to consider surgery, unless, of course, it's an emergency surgery. But the ones that my clients are having are not emergency. They are surgeries that they are needing, but it could be scheduled. So I'm really mostly talking about those types of surgeries. You want to make sure your body is strong, that your tissues are supported. So there's lots of herbs that you can take that are tissue strengthening. And also the foods that are more strengthening are going to lean more on the sweet taste. Sweet taste is going to strengthen the body. Now, on that note, a little side note, if you have ama or toxins, ama is just another word for toxins, excess in your body, you're dealing with a kapha imbalance, you can't do sweet taste. You have to really go through a whole process of detoxification, and then you can do some rejuvenation. Probably not using too much of the heavy sweet taste, but herbs, more herbs. Okay, so when you have your surgery, after surgery, one of the things that Ayurveda definitely wants to have that individual focus on is making sure that digestion is simplified. Why? Because we want the body to heal. If you bog down the system with a lot of food or even heavy foods, you are limiting your body's ability to heal quickly. And we want to heal quickly. So light foods, there's a whole process in Ayurveda, and I've talked about it before, where if you're dealing with somebody who's depleted, or they're sick, or they just got out of the hospital, or after surgery, you start out with broth. When that person is digesting the broth and it's feeling good for them and they're able to keep it down, then you start adding to the broth. Then you would add some basmati rice. Then if they're digesting that properly and well, then you can add well-cooked vegetables, and then you continue to add to that broth soup for them. Very simple foods are really important when you're trying to recover, because we want the body's energies to be focused on healing. And like I said, and this is why in Ayurveda, you don't eat after 6 p.m. because you are basically making it so your liver and your digestive system are having to digest a meal at night. So you don't do that. We don't do that. Okay, now, the other thing that you want to do is you want to massage your vata area. Where is that? Well, that's the pelvis and the lower abdomen. Why vata area? Well, because anytime you do something different, that's movement. That's a change. So to help settle and heal the body, you massage. So you would massage the lower abdomen, and it can be gentle. And you would also want to do warmth. And you want to definitely talk to your doctor, make sure this is okay if you're having your surgery in the pelvic area. Make sure that your doctor's okay with you using heat, but you want to make sure that that area is being nourished. So you can use some of the nourishing Ayurvedic oils, and you want to massage the area to help it feel calm. And also weighted blankets on that area is helpful. Definitely resting, lots of rest after you have surgery is important. And then when we finish today, at the end of our practice, we are going to be doing a mudra practice. What are mudras? Those are hand positions that you hold that actually emphasize certain energies and forces within the body that will make you feel calmer or make you feel more energetic or make you feel more centered. And you could use the mudras for everything. And we're going to be doing a healing mudra after our class today. So you want to do the practice and then take advantage of that healing mudra if you are needing it. It's something that you're going to do twice a day for 4 minutes, and we will be doing one segment of that. Okay, so that's basically what you're going to be wanting to do. Definitely keep your diet light. Make sure you are following the directions of your doctor as far as when you should be adding movement, but you want to simplify things when you are healing. Do not overeat. Do not bog down your system in digesting tons of food, making it so that all of your energies are being directed towards digesting. You want to direct those energies towards healing. Okay? All right. Now there's other things you could do, like listening to calming music, affirmations, things like that. All of it matters.